Saw him first at the metro station. He looked good and devilishly handsome. A slinky smile and a twinkling eye. He gazed at you with a lovely expression. All in black with suits and shoes off. Sweat he persuades you without even saying a word. But girl, I have to warn you, don't go down this road. Little girl, don't go down this road. I know you think there's hope somewhere, but don't go down this road. He never left your wandering head, and you always saw him in every corner. His cautious smile and his charming ways, you wanna meet him, you wanna go with him. What's his name? What's he like? You don't know, but you know you must trust him. He turns you on when you think about him. It's like a devil, but even more imposing. Don't go down this road, little girl. Don't go down this road. I know you think there's hope somewhere, but don't go down this road. You turn your back on me, you turn your back, you see him in the eyes, and you walk straight to him. He takes your hand and you're going down on him. You're going down, but you don't realize yet. A few seconds later and you six his presence. Without him you feel like dying. He took your life and he took your hope and he took your heart. You are a slave. Don't go down this road, little girl. Don't go down this road. I know you think there's hope somewhere, but don't go down this road. Hi, Dankeschön. Schön, dass ihr da seid. Wir sind Waxbird und der Gitarre ist gerade eine Seite gerissen. Ist egal? Ja. Markus! Ruben! Und ich bin Charlie.